What's up?
Are your parents home?
No, they're out for the evening.
Good.
What's going on? Wanna let me in the trick?
Okay, so we're heading for Tim's place when we heard the alarm going off. Someone had broken into the school canteen and then took off when they triggered the alarm.
So we took advantage of our good fortune and raided the ice cream freezer.
I ate 6 cornettos.
And I scoffed out 4 Maxibons before the cops turned up.
I did not hear any police sirens.
I responded on the QT.
But the idiots had their flashing lights on, so when we saw them, we ran across the oval to your place.
And luckily you were home.
Yeah, lucky me.
Don't be like that, it's really cool.
No, it's stupid. If the cops catch you, they'll charge you for the break-in.
Too late, we outsmarted them. They'll never find us here.
Do you want some choc fudge sundae? I grabbed a whole tub of the stuff.
No thanks.
Can we at least get some bowls and spoons for ourselves then?
Help yourself. You know where the kitchen is. Just don't steal anything while you're in there.
Oh, ha ha. Line up, would ya?
Oh, they'll be the police. Would you like me to let them in?
Yeah, perfect. You answer the door and we'll sneak off out the back.